So my name is Rich Gurney. I'm a professor of chemistry at the Department of Chemistry and Physics at Simmons College.
So my name is Nancy Lee, and I'm an associate professor of chemistry and physics at Simmons College, and I teach organic chemistry.
Upon starting my assistant professorship on the tenure track at Simmons College in 2003, I brought the green chemistry from Northwestern over to Simmons.
I was teaching organic chemistry the traditional way, which is usually very recipe driven. When I had a research student with me, I could not trust the student to be on her own and run an experiment by herself because the safety reasons. And when Rich came into our department, who I think is a catalyst, I never even heard of green chemistry actually. So once I learned, wow, greening is one of the easiest way to bring in research integration and teach the students how to do research.
The evolution really was driven by students, I think, and their interests. The Simmons students questioned and said, well, why can't we change out this solvent? Why can't we do it this way? And so doing the labs the way we do them now, students are getting just as much, if not more, research experience. They felt more empowered, taps into their creativity, taps into their innovation, and also their social mindedness. And I think that has a big impact on their desire to learn more as opposed to just following recipes that have been done for decades.
And what we found really astounded me, because some of the projects that the students came up with was all very green chemistry oriented. So for example, they were curious, what if the compounds that they were working with, the monomers to make green polymers, what if they're toxic? And so that bridged the chemistry and the biology department together.
So I think it's important for students to learn green chemistry because it's the way chemistry should be done. The students' employers tell us that they don't have to do that retraining when our students enter the industry. I would say some additional benefits that we found by adopting green chemistry are in the confidence that our students gain by using the tools of green chemistry to conduct research to improve process. An unanticipated consequence is that our waste stream has become dramatically reduced. So we went from possibly generating a drum of acetone waste to not even one carboy a year.
It's just planting that seed of green chemistry in organic chemistry 1 and 2 allows students to actually develop that and make that seed that we planted to blossom and bloom.
Being part of the green chemistry commitment and being one of the signers of the commitment, I think, has brought recognition that this is important for students to learn. It also keeps us coming back annually to think about how we're addressing it, and it's one of those reminders, oh, don't forget, you have to really continue to think about this and stay active in the area.